Electricity powers our world, but who discovered it? Was it invented, or was it unlocked piece by piece over centuries? Today, let's dive into the fascinating story of electricity, from ancient sparks to the light bulbs in your home. Get ready for a journey through time that will illuminate how our modern world came to be. The story starts thousands of years ago with the ancient Greeks. They noticed something peculiar. When you rubbed a piece of amber with fur, it would attract small objects like feathers. They didn't know why, but they were fascinated. They called this effect electron, the Greek word for amber. And that's where we get our word electricity. For a long time, this was just a curious little trick. Meanwhile, people saw lightning flash across the sky, believing it was the power of gods. They had no idea these two phenomena, the static charge from amber and the immense power of a lightning bolt, were actually the same force. For centuries, electricity remained a mystery, a force of nature that was observed but not understood. Fast forward to the 1600s, the age of experiments. Scientists started looking at the world in a new way, and electricity caught their attention. An English physician, William Gilbert, began to seriously study magnetism and static electricity, differentiating them and coining the term electricus. But the real breakthrough came in 1752 with Benjamin Franklin. You've probably heard the story. He flew a kite in a thunderstorm with a metal key attached. This incredibly dangerous experiment proved that lightning was, in fact, a form of electrical discharge. This was a monumental shift. Electricity was no longer just a mystery or a magical force. It was something that could be studied, understood, and even predicted. Science was about to take control of the lightning. Once we knew what electricity was, the next big question was, how do we control it? How can we make it work for us? The first major step came in 1799 from an Italian physicist named Alessandro Volta. He created the voltaic pile, the world's first battery. For the first time, humanity had a stable, continuous source of electricity. This was a game changer. Then, in the 1820s, Michael Faraday came along. He discovered electromagnetic induction, the principle that a changing magnetic field can create an electric current. This discovery paved the way for electric generators, which could produce electricity on a massive scale. To tie it all together, a brilliant physicist named James Clerk Maxwell developed a set of equations that beautifully explained the relationship between electricity and magnetism, showing they were two sides of the same coin, electromagnetism. Now that we could generate and store electricity, the race was on to bring it into our daily lives. This era was defined by two titans, Thomas Edison and Nikola Tesla. Edison was a master inventor and businessman. He focused on creating a practical, long-lasting incandescent light bulb and developed a system to power it, direct current, or DC. He built the first power stations to light up parts of New York City. But Nikola Tesla had a different idea. He championed alternating current, or AC, which could be transmitted over much longer distances far more efficiently. This led to a fierce rivalry, the War of Currents. Edison promoted DC as safer, while Tesla and his backer, George Westinghouse, demonstrated the power and practicality of AC. In the end, Tesla's AC system won out, and it's the standard we still use for power grids all over the world today. From those early experiments to the War of Currents, look where we are now. Electricity is the invisible lifeblood of our society. It powers your smartphone, keeps your food cold, runs hospitals, and even sends astronauts to space stations. The story of electricity isn't over, either. We're now in a new chapter, developing renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydro to power our world more sustainably. Scientists are pushing the boundaries even further with things like quantum computing and wireless power transfer, ideas that could once again revolutionize everything. So, electricity wasn't invented by a single person. It was a puzzle solved over centuries by generations of brilliant and curious minds. From the Greeks rubbing amber to Tesla's vision of a wireless world, it's a story of discovery and innovation, and the journey isn't over. If you want to dive deeper into the inventions and rivalries that shaped our modern world, make sure you subscribe and stick around for more stories on this channel. Thanks for watching.